Let me show you how to use Airbnb to book local experiences and tours. Is head over to the experiences tab and then simply select a location. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the different types of experiences that this particular location provides. Now, other than this, you can select the type of experience that you are interested in by adding in a simple filter. So inside of the experience type, you can select the type of experience that you'd like to experience for this particular location. So once you selected the type, you can tap on the show results and it is only going to show you the type of result that you selected. Now, apart from this, you can also head over to the originals depending upon the location, as well as you can select the time of day on which time you're more flexible on. So either morning, afternoon, or evening. Or if you don't want that, you can select all three options if you are flexible and then tap on show. So using this exact filter inside of Airbnb's experiences tab, you can use to book the local experiences as well as tours. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.